Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a one-off meeting on Calendly. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a website like this. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Calendly. If you have struggles with this, you can go to our channel where we can go and help you with that also. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have, as you can see, the create button where you can go and create a new meeting. We have some schedules here, contacts, and in the bottom side, we have the admin center, which is one of the most important things. Also, what we have is in the top right corner, we have, guys, everything about your profile when you click here. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and create one-off meeting on Calendly. Well, first of all, what you need to do is go and begin this journey by clicking the create button. So we have it here in the top left corner, plus create blue button. Just click on it first. Here guys, you can go and put and that you have a lot of options. So you can go and click the event type. So create a new template for your regularly scheduled events, one-off meeting, invite someone to pick a time to meet with you. And we have the meeting pool where you can schedule a group meeting after offering time for a vote. What you need to click, guys, obviously is the second or middle button, and it's one-off meeting. Click on that and there you can go and create it. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and guys that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like it, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.